Hey guys, welcome back in my new video. Today in this video I will show you that how you can control a RGB LED strip using Wled application with ESP32 Microcontroller. So before starting this video, let's talk about today's video sponsor. This video is brought to you in association with JLCMC. JLCMC is a leading platform offering 6 lakh per product across 130 categories with genuine product, competitive price and fast 24-hour shipping. JLCMC makes sourcing easy and cost effective. If you are working on robotics, automation or industrial project, JLCMC is the really helpful platform for you. Register now using the link in the description and get $19 welcome coupon for your instant checkout. First open your internet browser and search install.wled.me. Here is the first page. Now connect your ESP32 with your laptop. After connecting ESP32 with laptop, click on install. On the right side, you will see the COM port selection and click on connect. Click on install Wled and press the boot button for 2 seconds. Now it will erase all the data from ESP32 and it will take 2 minutes to upload the firmware into ESP32. Now click on next. Now enter your Wi-Fi password and SSID and click on connect. And now you have done.